What's up, dudes and girls? We have a quick chest tip that we want to show you. And if you're having a little problem getting some chest activation, or you just want a little extra burnout at the end of your workout or your set, try these out ones right here. They're going to be called the ISO press. Now you can do it with no weights at all. You pretty much just clasp your hands together just like so, almost like you're diving in a pool. And then you put it right to your sternum. You're gonna keep your shoulders back. You're gonna squeeze your palms together as much as you can, and immediately you're gonna feel the activation in your chest. So get in this position, squeeze those palms together, and slowly push outwards. Try not to pull your shoulders forward, because immediately that's gonna take the tension out of the chest. So keep those shoulders back, chest up, squeeze those palms together, press straight out, nice squeeze, and then back in. And what you really want to do is once you bring it out, immediately bring it back in so you really keep that tension in the chest, or as we like to call it, time under tension, and then you rep it out again and again until you just really feel that deep burn and you can't do any more. If that's a little too easy, or if you want a little more activation, you can always add some weight. You can grab a 10-pound plate, do the exact same thing, same positioning, but now you're gonna be holding the weight between your hands and squeezing together in exactly the same motion, pushing out and then pulling back in. It's an excellent after workout or after a bench press set chest burnout. Try it out if you haven't already, because it's pretty amazing. Hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Till next time, stay cool.